Okay, so here is the hair dryer. Let's check it out. So open this package. Strong winds. Yeah, quick drying of hair. Warm hair care experience, overheat protection. Hair dryer. Moist hair core. Water soaks into the core of hair. Okay, let's see what's inside. So this has an EU plug and comes with this adapter. So because this comes with this one, it doesn't have a wiring for ground. So here it is. This actually looks really nice. The hair dryer comes with this accessory here that you can screw to the wall and hang it on the wall like this. It also comes with this plastic adapter. It's a tape, so you can stick this one on the wall. There's a tape here. There's a sticky tape. So the hair dryer comes with this round Euro adapter and this UK adapter here. It also comes with this air director. You can fit in the hair dryer like that. Now let's plug this one. The hair dryer has two switches here. The right one is for the air speed. It has three settings, off, 1 and 2. That is setting 1, it's pulling about 145 watts here. And on setting 2, it's pulling about 324 watts. At setting 2, it actually makes a lot of air. And I can put the hair dryer away. And the left switch is the switch for the heating element. So we can turn this on and set it on setting 1. It only increases by about 40 watts something. So in setting 2, it's pulling about 880 watts. That is on the first switch here on the left, but if we put this on number 2, it will pull more current. It's pulling 1.8 kilowatts. That is 1.3 kilowatt here. And 1 kilowatt on the second setting on the left. And max on the right here. So that is 100 kilowatts. And 45 watts. And that's good. 320 watts. 1 kilowatt. And that is 1.3 kilowatt speed. So this hair dryer can push a lot of air and make a lot of heat.